Today, I'm going to show you a brand new community in Newnan, Georgia. We're going to check out the neighborhood. We're going to tour one of the homes inside. And then at the end of the video, you will have a very good idea as to whether you want to buy here or not. So if you're ready, follow me. Genesee is a brand new homes community in Northern Coweta County, Georgia. It's in Newnan, Georgia, which is a suburb of Atlanta, about 35 miles south of the Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson Airport. So if you buy a home here, you'll be about 11 miles west of Interstate 85 off of Tommy Lee Cook Road and about the same distance north of downtown Newnan, where all the shops and restaurants are. The schools here are Brooks Elementary, Madras Middle School, and the Northgate High, which are all very highly rated. You're minutes away from Dunaway Gardens, Suburban Bay, and Chattahoochee Hills here. For neighborhood amenities, you're going to have a pool, a playground, picnic, and cabana. You have sidewalks on one side of the street and then streetlights as well. The homes here are executive style homes on 1-acre home sites with spacious and open floor plans. They're all two-story homes and they all have primary suites on the main level as well. There are several different floor plans to choose from and all homes come with an irrigation system installed. As far as the size, you're looking at 2,600 to 4,300 square feet of living space and 3-car garage. And you also have the option to pick a basement lot as well. Price-wise, homes here start at base price of $532,000 and then they go up from there depending on the size, the upgrades, the lot premiums, and the finishes you choose. Genesee is currently at phase 3 of construction and there will be a future phase as well. So if you miss out on a home right now, you will have an opportunity to grab one in the future. So what do you guys think about this neighborhood so far? Let me know down in the comment section, and if you like the video so far, please support the channel by hitting the like button. If you would like to join me on more tours in the future, feel free to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Without further ado, we're headed to the home that we're about to check out today. The home we're going to check out today is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 3-car garage home. It is a 2-story home, 2,642 square feet of living space. It's got a base price at $553,000, which comes down to $209.31 per square foot. If you're ready, follow me.